The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
And since last night, it was feast or famine as far as the rain. Check it out. Woolwine in Patrick County, 10.62 inches of rain. Statistically speaking, that has a 1% to 0.5% chance of happening in any given year, making Patrick County extra susceptible to any kind of additional flooding from any additional rain we do see. That's what you see in the oranges and in the reds there. In areas in the green, we'll have to watch just because you've seen anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain since yesterday. So heading into tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms, they'll continue for us. So we'll need to keep an eye on that potential for some localized flooding. Right now, though, we're not seeing anything quite like that. Just some steady rain in parts of Pittsylvania County and Halifax County. This is gradually moving from west to east. We'll take you from south side to the complete opposite part of the region. We're heading into the highlands right now, where you see, again, some scattered light rain showers in Allegheny County, specifically around Callahan and Covington. So here we go through the rest of the afternoon. Notice how future trackers kind of overdoing things a little bit, right? So we're not going to see quite that much rain, but we will see the chance for additional scattered showers and storms up until about supper time, if not up until about sunset there. Here's 11 p.m. A few light rain showers still around. Then heading into tomorrow, we'll have an area of low pressure riding along a stalled front. So what that essentially means is more moisture moving into the region in the form of scattered showers and storms. Most of these after 1 or 2 p.m., starting out in the NRV and Highlands and then very gradually moving from west to east from there throughout the rest of the afternoon. So that'll allow us more time to warm up. Most of us tomorrow 75 to 80 degrees. By Wednesday, as showers move out of the area, we'll see things turning warmer. High temperatures mostly in the 80s. Meanwhile, tracking Tropical Storm Idalia, this is moving through basically bathwater in the Gulf of Mexico. So this will strengthen likely to a major hurricane before making landfall on Florida's Big Bend. From there, it'll kind of move farther to the south. So that cone represents anywhere that the center of the storm can be. So if it's toward that yellow arrow, yeah, we could see a little bit of rain from it late Wednesday into early Thursday. If it stays closer to the green arrow, we see less rain here and more sunshine. Looks like it'll stay farther south. Reason being is a front is kind of guiding it away from us. And in return, we're actually given a nice drop in humidity later this week. So that'll mean some cool mornings and some warm afternoons. Check it out. Feeling like fall Friday and Saturday mornings with temperatures in the 40s in some higher elevations and 50s elsewhere. Extended forecast showing you just that. So yeah, a little bit of a wet start to the week out there. We'll continue to track some scattered storms into tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then with Idalia mostly missing us to the south, the second half of the week is looking great before heating up just in time for the weekend.
Did I hear you say feeling like fall?
Yes.
Even if it's overnight, I don't care.
Yeah.
Bring it on.
That's when it's a little more fresh, right?
Yes.
So we'll give the AC a little break later in the week, and then it'll be back cranking for the weekend.
Of course, always.
Yep.
All right, thank you, Chris.